Breaking news just coming in. There are more desertions that hit the ruling TMC ahead of Bengal Assembly elections. Four-time TMC MLA Sonali Guha has joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. You can see on your screen, these are pictures of Sonali Guha, in fact, who confirmed to India Today just a while ago that she's felt left out. After not getting a ticket, she said, I never really expected this and I did not abandon the TMC. It's the TMC that abandoned me. She, in fact, has gone on to also confirm that Kailash Vijayvargiya, in fact, visited her today and they have included her in the BJP's fold. Listen in to Subindu Adhikari. Prema is getting us more details on that story. Prema, she's a four-time MLA really of the TMC and she has in fact confirmed and also said that because I was not given a ticket. What was the reason for this ticket to be denied to her this time around, given the fact that she's had a history of winning from the seat, and also what advantage that does she really bring to the BJP this time around?
As far as tickets not being given to various TMC leaders, this is something Mamata Banerjee had also said when she had announced the candidate list, that there were certain MLAs who would not be contesting this time, and Mamata is looking at many others who are going to be contesting, some old-timers and also some new faces that are going to be part of the team. Now, this has disgruntled many who were sitting MLAs, who are sitting in MLAs in the TMC and then have decided to jump ship to the BJP. Some have already jumped ship, wanting to jump ship, and that is something that the BJP is taking advantage of. However, when the BJP was questioned, they are saying that they will not be taking just any and everyone who wants to come in from the TMC, but those who are willing to work. And somewhere when she's talking about joining the BJP and she talks about how she's upset with Trinamool Congress and Mamata Banerjee, she goes on to say that she's always stood by Mamata, and this time when Mamata has left her, she also decides to leave Mamata. So that's the situation that she puts forward, and for the BJP, it's a situation where they look at someone who can be a candidate and can who can look at a winning seat when it comes to taking her on. Back to you, Sneha.
All right, Prema, be with us. We'll just come back to you for more information, which is just breaking right here. Let's go straight to that.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.